guys, so before we jump into the video, I wanted to do a mini Bath & Body Works haul. I bought a few things for the fall season, but not enough to do like a whole video on just like Bath & Body Works products. So I thought that I would put it into this video. So if you are interested, keep watching, and then after this haul, we will get into the fall decor and baking. Oh, it was a while ago when I went to Bath & Body Works, and at the time that I went there, they had a sale on their 3-wick candles. It was like, I think $10 for each candle, which is such a great deal. So while I was there, I had to pick up 2 candles, and the first one that I picked up was white pumpkin. I absolutely love this scent. It smells so good. It's not like, I don't know, it's like kind of pumpkin-y and like kind of like a little bit of spice, which I love. And not only do I love the scent of the candle, I absolutely love the packaging, and it goes really well with my room because, as you guys can kind of see, my room is white and gold themed with like hints of like pink and, you know, other colors like that. But yeah, I absolutely love this candle. It goes super well with my room. And yeah, I just needed to pick up a few more fall scents for this season because the only fall scent I really have is the one that I'm burning currently right now, which is the banana cream pie one. So I had to pick up a few other candles and they had a deal, so it was just like I had to do it. The second candle that I got from Bath & Body Works was this raspberry mimosa, which isn't really a fall scent, but I had to get it because it smelled really good, and I do really love like the packaging. I just think like it's very simplistic, and it also goes well with my room because I do have hints of pink in my room. And yeah, I just think this smells really good. It smells a lot like the champagne one. I forget what it's called. Yeah, I forget what it's called, but it smells kind of like that, but it has like more of like a raspberry, like berry type to it, so berry type of scent to it. So yeah, I really love this. I think it's cute. It's not really necessarily a fall scent, but yeah, I just had to get this. And then while I was shopping, I also had like those like little coupons that I get in the mail, and it was for like a free like body lotion or something like that, like with the value of like $15. So I picked up this berry waffle cone, which I believe is a summer scent. It looks like a summer scent, and this smells so good. I also think the packaging is super cute. I don't know if you can, it's not really focusing. Hold on. I don't think it's gonna focus. Oh well. It smells really good though. It's like not too strong either. I feel like it's a really good scent. And kind of like you can smell like the waffle cone too, which I kind of love. So yeah, got this. Then because at Bath & Body Works you can only use 1 coupon at a time, I had my boyfriend run in for me to pick up this like one wallflower that I just thought was so adorable. I just needed to have it, so I had him run in and he got it for me. And it's just like this iridescent pumpkin wallflower. I think this is just so stunning and so cute. I love this. Honestly, like you can see it pretty well in the camera, but I think in like person it's just like even more gorgeous than it is on camera. But yeah, it's so beautiful and pretty, and I love it. And then he also, which I was like not expecting this, but he got me a little scent for my wallflower, which was so cute. And he got me the pumpkin spice latte. And I actually don't know exactly what this smells like, but I'm sure it smells amazing. So that was everything that I got from Bath & Body Works. Now onto the video.